Hello brothers and sisters, welcome back to my channel, and my name is Javi. I want to thank you again for choosing to be here for yourself, as your true being, absent of the mind, absent of the personal self, absent of all the identification that takes place there. Purely yourself here, purely your heart, purely your true being that is just experiencing life. In this video, I wanted to speak on the reason why people don't heal. Most of you already, if you've been watching my videos, probably have had some situations with healing something, and the truth is that you are already healed. You've never been ill. Your true self, if we take yourself, your core self of who you truly are, and put you in your original state, your infinite health, infinite energy. So you've never been ill. It is when we have this thought that we are ill, it is that when we have this thought that we are not healthy, that a disease, a dis-ease pretty much, an absence of ease begins. And in that absence of ease, we attach that energy to a part of our body. We hold that energy in, for example, maybe your knee, or your shoulder, or your back, or your stomach, or your kidneys, and we begin a dis-ease. So, in order for you to truly heal, you must first, just like anything else, you are infinite health, so you must stay as your present self. You must prioritize your being, prioritize your true awareness, and not give attention to the mind, the thoughts, the emotions. Whatever is going on in the world, the mind's gonna try to pull you in its interpretations, in its meanings, in its how it feels about things. But you don't have to concern yourself with that. And more importantly, if you're someone that is just watching this video for the first time and haven't been keeping up with being in your true space of awareness, and you're barely coming into this space of getting to know yourself at a deeper state, you cannot get rid of your mind within your mind. A lot of people are trying to stop their thinking, stop their programs by still using their mind. You must completely just use a different part of you, a different awareness that is not in the mind. So therefore you are able to completely let go, completely surrender whatever that was infiltrating your being and your space and taking your attention and causing whatever stress, anxiety, whatever illness. Just being here is enough. Just being here is everything. Because once you stop being here, you are gonna eventually start to be a lesser part of you. You're gonna start to be a part of you that's not complete, that's always lacking, that's always in need of something. When the truth is, you are never lacking anything, you are never in need of anything, you're whole, complete, perfect. You are an extension, an expression of the universe. And health is your natural state. You're a vibrant beacon of light that is naturally you. You don't have to become anything. You don't have to do anything. You just have to allow yourself to be in a state of yourself. And peel back all the programs, all the conditionings, all the habits, and just stay what will remain, what was always here, what was always been there. Thank you guys. Much love. Amitabah. Namaste. Peace be with you. Om.